Hello, this is the tutorial on the new Sudomemo connection method. We've had some recent changes, and as such you do need to adjust your settings. So, let's start by turning on the system here. Okay. Now, first we need to go to Flipnote Studio. Now we need our Flipnote Studio ID. Tap right here in the top right of the screen. Here's our Flipnote Studio ID. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've already written mine down. You'll want to copy this down somewhere so you can reference it because we're about to need it. So, now let's go back. Tap X, go to the DSI menu. Let's go to the system settings. Go to the third page. Oops. Select Internet. Connection settings. We have nothing here. We have nothing here. We're about to make a connection. Let's search for the access point. Going to select mine. Save the settings. Going to run the connection test. Connection test successful. Now we're going to go in and edit the connection that we just created. Connection settings, back to advanced setup, select the connection, change settings. Now, scroll all the way to right to the proxy settings, tap yes, detailed setup. Like before, it is ds Sudomemo.net. The port 80. Now, this is the important part. So, from the proxy screen, scroll right. Turn on basic authentication. For the username, we will enter in all caps our Flipnote Studio ID. Mine is, for this device, 5384, and you'll be entering your own, not mine. C8801E2C AEB0. Once again, this is mine. You won't enter this. You'll need to put in your own. Put in whatever you want for the password. Originally, putting in your Sudomemo password was going to be part of the process, but that's been ruled out in favor of higher security. Okay, now hit OK. Hit OK again. Save it. You can, if you like, run the connection test. However, if you have no patience for such things, you can just skip the connection test and go back to the main menu. Go back to Flipnote Studio. Now, we're going to go to Flipnote High Time. Now, something you should know is that the first time you try to connect after this, you will receive an error message, 340401. This is normal. And it is an unfortunate part of the new connection process. However, due to recent changes, it's required basically. So I said okay. Now the second time, now it may take a couple of tries. This seems to be a little bit iffy. During this part, you'll need to have a little bit of patience. Nope. Okay, once more. Did it crash? Oh, Lord. Nope, okay. Yep. Let's try it once more. Yeah. This DSI behaves a little bit differently from the rest because it's not a DSI. Exactly. This is what it is. Anyway, for all intents and purposes, it should work the same. Now, you're connected. Let's go to Creator's Room. Now it's time to log in. Now we submit what's called a login comment. It can be blank, or you can draw something in it. Nobody looks at it, so it doesn't really matter. That's done. Now, I'm going to put in my password here. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password. Here we go. Now, one moment, please. We're signed in. Now, I can hold down L and press menu, or just tap on the link to go to my Creators Room. Anyway, Creators Room. And there it is. If you have any questions or other issues connecting, feel free to ask in our Discord. You can find the link to Discord at www.sudomemo.net. And once again, regarding the Flipnote Studio ID, you can find it here. Have a great day.